This creamy avocado tomatillo sauce is life. Let's do it. So first, in a pan, we're gonna add our tomatillos, Anaheim pepper, half of an onion, and some garlic, and we're gonna toast this on the stove top until it looks nice and golden brown like that. Next, let's deglaze our pan with some water. And we're gonna add everything to our blender with a little bit of water because I spilled some out of my pan. Then we're gonna add a handful of cilantro, 2 avocados, season with some pepper and some salt, and a little